proving you're never too old to put on your dancing shoes, it's 51-year-old Trevor Gill from Croydon.
Today what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do a bit of freestyling. It's mainly jazz funk, and sort of evolved over the years into what I do now. But yeah, my style is pretty just funky, you know, disco man. If I went out anywhere, I hit the floor, and that's that. As long as the music's there, I'll be on there. I don't really care whether nobody else is dancing or not. If the music's good, I'll dance.
Trevor!
Yes, sir.
Can I call you soul mate?
You can, actually. Yes, lovely.
Yeah?
Thank you, yeah.
Trust me, brother, you have got soul, flavour, passion. When did you start dancing?
Probably about 10, maybe younger. I had a friend who showed me how to do the funky chicken. And then discovered I could do better than him.
You got some of that now? Or you...
Funky chicken, yeah.
I think you're just a pleasure to watch. Oh, I love it. Seriously, I really, really love it. Well done, man.
Thank you.
Dude, I mean this with no disrespect. You came out and you remind me of my dad. Literally, you are soul. This is funk, and it was just happening. And the music was just moving your body. And we asked that of every single dancer we have that comes on this stage. Soul Man is the perfect name. I think that you were full of soul, and I absolutely loved it.
Jordan, check this. I'm a soul man.
Yeah, he's a soul man, not you, Perry.